Hazrat Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh and the Power of Faith, a long story of kindness and miracles. Hazrat Khaja Moinuddin Chishti Rahmatullah Alayh, lovingly called Garib Nawaz, benefactor of the poor, was a great Sufi saint who dedicated his life to spreading love, peace, and faith in Allah. He was born in 1142 CE in Sistan, present-day Iran, and traveled to India, where he became a beacon of spirituality in Ajmer. His life was filled with countless miracles and acts of compassion, inspiring millions to this day. The king's challenge and the power of spirituality. During his time in Ajmer, the city was ruled by Raja Prithviraj Chauhan, a powerful king. The land was under Hindu rule, and the arrival of Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh with his followers caused unrest among some locals. Many respected him for his wisdom and kindness, but others, including the king's courtiers, saw him as a threat. The royal priest and advisor went to Raja Prithviraj Chauhan and said, "This man claims to have divine powers and is attracting thousands of followers. He must be stopped before he weakens your rule." Hearing this, the king, though skeptical, decided to test Khwaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh. He sent a group of his men to confront the saint. They arrived at the Sufi's humble dwelling and said, "You are not welcome here. This land belongs to our king. Leave at once." Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh remained calm and said, "This land belongs to Allah, the creator of all. No one owes it except him. I have come here only to spread love and serve humanity." The men were angered and returned to the king. Seeing their failure, Raja Prithviraj Chauhan sent his most powerful sorcerer Ajaypal to challenge the saint. Ajaypal was known for his black magic and could control the elements with his spell. When Ajaypal reached Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh, he mockingly said, "If you truly have divine power, stop this storm that I will summon." He began chanting mantras, and suddenly dark clouds gathered, thunder roared, and a fierce storm started blowing. Trees were uprooted and people ran in fear. Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh simply raised his hand in prayers and said, "Ya Allah, show them the truth." Instantly the storm calmed, the sky cleared, and peace returned. Seeing this, Ajaypal was shocked and fell to the saint's feet with tears in his eyes. He said, "Your power is truly from the divine. I accept your faith." Ajaypal converted to Islam and became one of Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh's most devoted followers. The king's defeat and saint's compassion. Despite this, Raja Prithviraj Chauhan still did not believe in Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh. He decided to remove him by force. The king sent his soldier to attack the saint and his followers, but as they approached, their horses refused to move. Their weapons became heavy, and they were unable to harm a single person. Frightened and confused, they ran back to the palace. Soon after, Raja Prithviraj Chauhan faced a greater war with Sultans Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori. The king lost the battle and was defeated. Many say that this was due to the spiritual power of Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh, who had prayed for the justice and peace. But despite the king's opposition, Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh never wished harm upon anyone. He continued his mission of spreading love and kindness, welcoming people of all backgrounds into his spiritual fold. His legacy of love and mercy. Khaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh spent the rest of his life serving the poor, feeding the hungry, and guiding those in need. He believed in love for all, hatred for none. His doors were always open to anyone seeking help, regardless of their religion or status. One of his famous sayings was, "He who feeds the hungry helps the needy. He is dear to Allah." Even after his passing in 1236 CE, the spiritual presence remains strong. His Dargah shrine in Ajmer is visited by millions of people from different faiths every year seeking blessing, peace and healing. Hazrat Khwaja Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Alayh taught that the greatest religion is humanity and that true devotion is found in helping others. His life is a testament to the power of faith, love and divine wisdom. Share your thoughts in comment and subscribe the channel.